Hi everyone and welcome to this Fantasy Art Friday video. In this video I'm working on a drawing of a crystal dragon, and I've been excited about trying this for a long time. I thought it'd be a great challenge in terms of pushing myself with the colouring. I tried to draw some crystals recently and I found the process super fun, just trying out lots of different colours, so I thought that applying the crystals to the design of a dragon would be really enjoyable and it would be a huge challenge in terms of the colouring, so that was my main focus for this drawing. I decided to work on greyboard, and in terms of the inking I was using a Pigmamicron 01 and a Copic Markers SP 0.03. Then for the colouring I was using Copic Markers, and I was using colours like light pink, tender pink, ice blue, buttercup yellow, Prussian blue, amethyst, even cerise, and really bright colours like that. And it was such a fun process adding all these colours. Then on top of that, to add some bright highlights, I was using a white Prismacolor pencil, a white GellyRoll pen, and a Uniball white ink pen. And this whole process was extremely fun, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Towards the end of this drawing, as you can see, I added colouring to the layers of cave and to the crystals within that cave. And my idea was that this dragon lives in the cave and it protects these crystals, and maybe they're like a magical resource in this fantasy world. So I used a similar colouring technique for these crystals. And then in the background I used a nice blue marker to add the sky, and then over the top of that, to add some mystical effects, I used a white pastel along with processed red and white Prismacolor pencils. Then finally I made use of the white pens to add a few highlights and particle effects. Then after that this drawing was completed. Overall it took about 8.5 hours to complete. The colouring took a long time, but I'm really happy with it, so please let me know what you think of this, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.